So a quick video then on my approach to trading the Wall Street Open. This was the watch list. We had the indices and gold. We talked about gold being a favorite. So um, what we didn't get was um, the drop in yields. We didn't get the drop in yields, and the dollar didn't really sell off. So that meant that trying to long euro uh, was impossible. There was no, there was an entry, I believe. I was looking at it and tempted. I think it was, I think I was over here. I saw that break up, but I didn't really get the confirmation. I think if I'd got a bullish engulfment of that candle, then we would have had the W breakout and then the engulfment stop below the pin and to ride it higher, but we didn't get that. We didn't quite get enough momentum in this change of character. We did get the change of character, but there just wasn't enough momentum, and I was keeping my eye on yields and the dollar, and it just didn't look right. Didn't look like a goer. Um, I was also keeping an eye on these yen pairs, but we haven't had the 38.2. Let's have a look. So we're still waiting for the pullback in that. So really, the only goers were gold and the indices. Now the Dow didn't align with our bullish thesis; it sold off. The Nasdaq and the um, S&P did. I went with the S&P. Unfortunately, the market was a little bit cruel. I was targeting this minus 272 of the correction being this hourly correction, and that's the target. I had an initial target up here which we reached. Um, so the initial target was when I started selling round about the target. We got this pullback, so I sold on that. The entry was this lovely um, this bar here. I can't remember exactly how I got involved in that. I think we got the engulfment, and it gave me a really nice entry. It just popped lower for me, so that was nice. Anyway, um, and lo and behold, so I left the rest at break even, and come and pin me by a pip or two, and it's proceeded to grind higher. But note, I haven't got back involved. I've nailed and bailed in and out 5 times my risk today. So I was quite happy. Stuck to my rules. I don't want to be chasing the move. Um, it's one and done for me. So if I get stopped out, I'm stopped out, and we move on. Still opportunities for later in the day. Maybe oil might do something. We've already had. Well, we'll come to that in a moment. But with the gold, again, I was unlucky with this as well. Um, which one was I trading? This demo. Must have been this one, was it? Yeah. So with this one, the original entry was on this series of candles to target this closing price. The stop was somewhere in here. I got round about 4 to 1 roughly. Um, but it came up and stopped me out. Um, I was already at break even at that point. I think I'd taken some money off down here and moved to break even, and it just popped up to say hello and continued. And then I got confirmation again on this candle where I sold and it ran to target. So um, I took some money off, but I did quite well in gold as well. So that was a 4.5 R, but obviously I'm scaling out, so at least doubled my money. And same with the I'd more than double my triple my money there, and same with the S&P. Yeah, with US oil, well, that ship's already sailed probably, so um, there we are. But we were calling a break to the downside from resistance, and that's exactly what we got. So that too would have been a decent market to have got involved with on the 5 minute, breaking support. Um, yeah, that candle right there, the stop above, bang. The 1 minute, that candle there. That candle there, stop above, bang. So it'll be that one. We'll stop, targeting the lows, 5 to 1.